Our activity analysis is meal preparation.
Materials required are plates, bowls, napkins, placemats, silverware, a cup or a glass, and a table. Environment requirements include an area with a table and seats, and enough space for someone to hold and transfer objects.
To begin the task, turn the water on by extending the elbow, flexing the shoulder, and using a pinch grasp. Use cylindrical grip to grasp the soap bottle and flex the fingers to squeeze soap onto the hand. Extend the elbow and flex the shoulder to place the soap back to the sink. Wash hands with the soap by flexing the trunk, extending the elbows, flexing the shoulder, fingers, and circumducting the wrists. Wash the soap off the hands, doing the same process. Grab a towel by extending the elbow, flexing the shoulder, and using the pinch grasp. Flex the elbow to bring towel closer to the body and dry the hands by extending the elbows, flexing the shoulder, flexing the fingers, and circumducting the wrists.
Major muscles involved are the triceps, deltoids, and finger flexors.
The person will determine how many sets of utensils are needed.
Use 3-jaw chuck bilaterally to grab the placemats. Flex the hip and extend the knee to ambulate to the table. Extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, and use bilateral 3-jaw chuck to place placemats at each seat. Major muscles involved are the iliacus, psoas major, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, hamstrings, triceps, deltoids, and finger flexors and extensors.
Extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, and use 3-jaw chuck to grab a napkin. Flex the elbow to 90 degrees to hold the napkin and place the napkin on placemat by extending the elbow and flexing the shoulder. Do this for each seat setting.
Major muscles involved are the triceps, deltoids, and biceps.
Rotate the trunk and flex the hip and extend the knee to begin ambulating to the cabinet.
Major muscles involved are the iliacus, psoas major, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, and hamstrings.
Extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, wrist, and use lateral pinch to grab the plates and bowls in each of the hands.
Major muscles involved are the triceps, deltoids, wrist flexors, and wrist extensors.
Flex the elbow to bring the plates and bowls to midline, and flex the hip and extend the knee continuously to walk to the table.
Major muscles involved are the biceps, iliacus, psoas major, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, and the hamstrings.
Extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, and extend the fingers and abduct the palm to place plates and bowls on the table. Use 3-jaw chuck to grab a plate. Extend and horizontally abduct the shoulder and flex the elbow to transfer plates onto the placemats. Extend the fingers to release plate on the placemat. Do this for both seats. Extend the elbow, horizontally abduct the shoulder, and use spherical grasp to transfer each bowl to each placement.
Major muscles involved are the triceps, deltoids, abductor pollicis longus, and the finger flexors.
Flex the hip and extend the knee continuously to ambulate to the cabinet.
Major muscles involved are the iliacus, psoas major, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, and the hamstrings.
Next, extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, and flex all of the fingers at once to grasp the silverware.
Major muscles involved are the triceps, deltoids, and finger flexors.
Flex the elbows to bring the silverware to midline. Flex the hip and extend the knee to ambulate to the table. Immediately rotate the opposite shoulder and use 3-jaw chuck to grab a fork, knife, and spoon for each seat. Extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, and extend the fingers to release each utensil. Complete this process for each seat sitting.
Major muscles involved are the iliacus, psoas major, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, hamstrings, triceps, biceps, and deltoids.
Rotate the trunk and flex the hip and extend the knee continuously to walk to the cabinet.
Major muscles involved are the obliques, iliacus, psoas major, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, and hamstrings.
Extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, and use cylindrical grasp to grab a set of glasses or cups. Flex the elbow and bring the cups towards the body. Rotate the trunk and flex the hip and extend the knee continuously to walk to the table.
Major muscles involved are the triceps, deltoids, finger flexors and extensors, biceps, obliques, iliacus, psoas major, rectus femoris, gluteus maximus, and hamstrings.
With the opposite arm, flex the elbow and horizontally adduct the shoulder and use 3-jaw chuck to grab each cup. Extend the elbow, flex the shoulder, pronate the hand, and extend the fingers with control to release the cup at each seat sitting. Repeat this process for each sitting.
Major muscles involved are the biceps, latissimus dorsi, finger flexors and extensors, deltoids, and pronator quadratus.